Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 6 that is based on the topic time, chapter number 17. Open your book, go to page number 99. Here an exercise related to the language structure is given over here. It's about past continuous tense, okay? So today we will learn about past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? Past continuous tense is used for an action taking place at some time in the past. For example, my mother was washing clothes. The dog was barking at night. Stars were shining in the sky. So you have noticed that these are things are happening in the past. They are not happening right now. Like my mother was washing clothes. She's not washing clothes right now. She was washing clothes. The dog was barking at night. The dog is not barking right now. The dog was barking at the night that has been passed. Okay? So stars were shining in the sky. Stars are not shining right now. Stars were shining. They are shining at the time that has been passed. Okay, so these all things happen in the past continuous tense. Make sentences with the help of the following table. Now what you have to do, you have to make as many sentences as you can with the help of given table. Here are three columns given: subject, verb and predicate. What you have to do, you have to match them and you have to make as many sentences as you can. Like, I was coughing at night. I was bringing the letter. I was looking at the picture. I was coming back home. I was painting the wall. I was wasting their time. I was sleeping soundly. Okay? So, he was coughing at night. He was bringing letter. He was looking at the picture. And so on, so on. Okay? You have to make as many sentences as you can. Now, on the same page, page number 99, exercise B is given. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense of the verb given in the bracket. Sher Shah dash his house was decorating his house. Okay, Sher Shah was decorating his house. They dash fiercely. They was fighting fiercely. Fire dash. Fire was burning. Okay, fire was burning. Girls dash bangles. Girls were buying bangles. Their pen dash. Their pens were leaking. Humpty Dumpty was sitting on a wall. Humpty Dumpty was sitting on a wall. Okay, student, this is your exercise B. Now, moving, some sentences are on the next page, page number 100. Sentence number 7: Harry Potter dash with the evil sorcerers. Harry Potter was fighting with the evil sorcerers. Leaf dash from trees. Leaves were falling from trees. London Bridge dash down was falling down. London Bridge was falling down. Now you have made all the positive sentences. Here is another exercise for you. You have to make negative and interrogative sentences, okay? Girls were not picking flower. This is an active sentence. Girls were not picking flowers. Why were the children going after the pied piper? So this is a interrogative type sentence. Exercise is given. Complete the following sentences by using the past continuous of the verb given in the blank. Okay? So you have to complete them. I dash my book. I were not tearing my book. Okay? Our telephone dash. Our telephone was not ringing. We dash. We were not catching fish. Student dash themselves. Were not enjoying themselves. Samia dash her pencil. Samia was not sharpening her pencil. The bus dash fast. Was not moving fast. Here moving will come. Okay. Moving. Moving fast. What dash Kiran dash? What was Kiran writing? Aman dash her shoes. Aman was not polishing her shoes. Why dash pupil dash kites? Why were pupil flying kites? Dash you closing your bag? Were you closing your bag? Dash Umar dash a big tree. Was Umar climbing a big tree? Which book dash Haris dash? Which book was Haris reading? Okay, students, you have to fill this exercise on your book. Hope so you understand it well. Have you understood it? Okay, take care, students. Allah Hafiz.